Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden between the dusty pages of ancient books? In an old library, where time itself seemed to stand still, there lived a cat named Dewey. Unlike any ordinary feline, Dewey possessed an uncanny ability to decode the enigmatic symbols and cryptic texts of a long-lost manuscript. One stormy night, as the wind howled outside and lightning cast eerie shadows on the library walls, Dewey's eyes glowed with an otherworldly light. He leapt onto the grand oak desk, his paws dancing over the fragile parchment. The manuscript, written in a language forgotten by time, held the power to revolutionize the world of literature. With each deciphered word, Dewey unveiled a narrative so profound that it could reshape the very fabric of storytelling. As the final piece of the puzzle fell into place, the library seemed to hum with the energy of 1,000 tales waiting to be told, all thanks to a remarkable cat who unlocked the door to a